All right, folks, welcome to the video. Anthony here, Special Analysis. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Want to dive into how we worked our way through light sweet crude oil this morning. We had some 830 PPI numbers. The market got a little squiggly. Gold did not want to present really any opportunity. The NASDAQ looked ambitious. The S&P, however, not as ambitious. So there was a little bit of a divergence there. However, in crude oil, I felt like we had a pretty solid read on it. When we had come through these prior lows up here around 79.5, I said, hey, if we retest this area and it holds, we should press into 79, which in fact we did. We broke down. We came back, retested this level one more time, where I again made the statement, hey, if we can hold this level, we can try to push the prior low. Whether it's going to be a much deeper push or not, that's still yet to be seen. But I felt like it was a good read from 79.5 into 79, and then the retest to 79 was also a good read. Now, I took a handful of trades today. I was probably a little more active than I normally am, but I saw little opportunities to capitalize on. The first trade I took was a full stop out. I was hoping, because things aligned, but it didn't work out, and that's part of the deal, that we were going to revisit $80 and consume some liquidity after falling one tick short of the prior session high. So I was looking for a push here on a regain of this trend line. Things looked strong, but we just kind of consolidated a little bit and rolled over. And when that transpired, I got stopped out. It is what it is. I took several other small entries that were basically stopped out at the entry. I took two successful scalp trades where I was in just a very short period of time. Market went quickly in my favor. I just grabbed the money and I had stepped away. And one decent short here that I trailed the stop fairly aggressively, which locked in the largest trade that I had taken today. So regardless of what the day does next, kind of is what it is. I did record, I think I recorded both the stop out and this trade that worked out well. I know this trade I recorded well. If this one I'm able to extract it, I will include that, both of them inside the blog. I'll also give you, just kind of show you the P&L there and say, hey, these are where you'll be able to see the very small, when I say very small, several $100 positive P&Ls are going to be basically stopped out at break even. The ones that are a couple $1,000s are going to be the ones that were the good scalps, and then the bigger trade you'll see, and of course the full stop out was several $1,000s. So it was a bumpy day a little bit. Again, maybe I traded a little more aggressively than I normally would. Yesterday morning, I took one very, very small trade, and then that big rally that transpired yesterday, I'll show it to you. Like, I wasn't here for this. I had to leave the office and go to a doctor's appointment. So I guess, this kind of stewed on me all night long because, it doesn't really get prettier than that. And I'm like, I didn't even get a chance to partake in any of it. So, not that I was revenge trading or anything today. I just felt like, you know what? I feel fairly confident that the market's going to move. Normally, after a strong day of rally, we will sometimes see, some give back of that rally. And if I look at the higher time frame chart here, you'll see we pushed right into an area here of a bunch of pivot lows. Now, we may hold this trend line that we're at right now. This is what I have drawn in place, but we'll see how that all plays out. But I did express, with some clients I spoke with yesterday evening, that they were sharing their success with me. I said, hey, we might be in a spot that we could be getting caught up a little bit. Doesn't mean we can't get through it, but it is what it is. So just wanted to let you know how it all played out. Like I said before, that the NASDAQ looked ambitious all day. It is currently climbing as we speak. We're about 40 points short of 19,000. So it is recovering nicely. S&P really, really sluggish, and gold really range bound. So the ride up yesterday was crude, and the ride down today was crude. Unfortunately, I missed the ride yesterday, but I felt like I made up for it today. And that's it. That's it. So I just want to, I do these videos so you kind of get in tune to the way I approach the market, the content that I share with my clients live, so that, you know, it's you don't have to go look at some Discord or wait for some email to show up that you're going to miss, or text message or whatever. It's live, right? Like you're in the room. When I see something, I say something. It's really that simple. And like I mentioned before, retested these prior lows, was going to yield probably a push into 79. We broke 79. We retested and held. Pushed this low. Whether we go lower or not, still yet to be seen. But that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If I can do anything for you, feel free to reach out. I will leave some links below along with my contact information. God bless, and I hope you have a wonderful day.